one's a really easy one, you guys. So I'm starting off by painting my entire face green. This one from the Morphe color correcting wheel is the only one I have, so use whatever you have at home or whatever is affordable. I used up all of the green from this, so. I then highlighted the center of my face using the lighter skin tone shade from the same wheel. Then I set all of that with the personalize white loose powder. And then I lightly set the rest of my face with that so that when I go in with the other shadows, I won't disrupt the green so much. I didn't realize I wasn't recording for some of it, but I did add the green first to my bronzing areas, basically to the perimeter of my face, this green shadow. And then I took the yellow and I used that as a transition shade almost, but I did want the green to be more yellow toned, which is why I added this. And I added the yellow in lots of places. You can't really go wrong with this. I put it around my lips, my nose, and my eyelids. I then used Mojo, this really dark brown, to fluff around some texture around my mouth, and that made it look kind of dirty, like I've just been eating out of a dirt hole or something. That's kind of what I was going for. I filled in my brows with black, and I followed like the Strash Me brow method where the top is sharper and the bottom is more natural. So it's kind of opposite of what I've been used to for so long, but it's one of my favorite brow styles. And to make my eyes look more sunken in and crazy, I took this red tone shadow. Any will do, and I messily blended this around my eye. I took some time blending only some of the harsh edges, but this look is so forgiving you don't need to worry about it looking perfect. Honestly, the messier, the scarier, and crazier you look. I then added black all around my eye, and I did have some reason to where I was placing this. It's still messy, but I wanted it to kind of look like I was a zombie who died with a black smoky eye. So I winged it out a little bit, still keeping it slightly messy. And the brush I'm using for this is a Sigma E60, if you were wondering. And then add more red or yellow around the eyes as needed or preferred. Now for the stitches, I just looked up stitches makeup on Google Images and I referenced a couple of different pictures. But what I did was took the same red shade and I drew a skinny line in the middle. I added some skinny shadow lines on the side and then drew a short, irregular black lines across to make it look like the skin is being held together. Super fun, super easy and quick, and if you mess up, just take a Q-tip or a tissue and wipe it away and fix your mistake. It's not super hard. So I added my lashes off camera and then I lined messily around my eyes with this black cream makeup and I winged it out, but again, it doesn't have to be perfect. My lines are so bad you can't really see it, but yeah, don't worry about any of this too much. This look is supposed to be very easy. I then took fake blood that I made from corn syrup, red food coloring, and cornstarch and placed it all around my mouth and a couple of drops on the stitches I drew. And y'all, that's it. So easy. Please tag me if you recreate this look and I'll see you in the next one. Love you. Bye.